Max Money family, Max Money tribe, what's going on? It's your boy Alvin. If you've been following the channel, you know I love nothing more than to finish Friday in the green. It's a beautiful feeling, man. Beautiful. As you see, I'm up about 19%, $489. So I'm feeling good, but not great. Just good, guys. My dog was not feeling great, guys. I had an emergency yesterday. We took care of it, so he's well. That's why I didn't have the video going out. But today we're back in the short squeeze plays, guys. We got the DWAC news. We got Progenity. We got another stock I'm going to throw out there. We're going to run down the list. Let's get into it, guys. So I'm sitting at $2,968. First stock I want to talk about is ALPP, Alpine for Holdings. Now, this is like an acquisition company just like DWAC. I have brought this to you a couple of days ago when it hit the NASDAQ. Now, this was the #1 trending OTC stock about a week or two ago, guys. Now, this has its hand in so many different things, but what I want to focus on is how it's the leader in drones and the best drones, guys. So Amazon is looking for somebody to deliver these packages and keep their company going strong. They're going to probably pick a leader, guys. So their drones have the longest battery life, the best equipment for our mapping and GPS technology, guys. Alpine for Holdings. As you see, I have 550 shares. It just got listed on the NASDAQ, and it looks like it's finding a bottom here. So I done loaded up. I just wanted to throw that out there on your radar. Now, before I get to DWAC, we're going to run down to the squeeze list. Now, I'm not your financial advisor, but I do have this squeeze list for you guys, and it's right here. Take a look over it. About 13 stocks. A lot of red today, guys. But look what we got. Progenity. Progenity is one of the main ones that I was holding, guys. Today, it showed so much strength that they halted our stocks. But they can't stop us. They can't stop us. As you see right here, it hit 328. It was pushing up there, and it's climbing higher. I told you I love the stair step look to it, guys. It's been climbing so beautiful. It showed so much strength off that bounce this morning that they had to halt us. Now, check out the volume. 188 million today. Average is 158, baby. We have a 52-week high of 824. This is what short squeezes are made of. As you see, I'm up $400 just about today. Total, I'm up $245. So I did have to ride the dip. I got to put that out there. You have to take some dips sometimes and be true to your play. Why did you take that play? What's going on in your brain? Do you double down? And I did exactly that. So I'll get up here. I want to bring up the calls that I have and why I had already told you in my previous videos to load up on these calls. My average is $41. We're sitting at $58. This even hit highs even higher than this. Let's check it out. The high today was $90 when they halted us. I had no day trades and I had loaded up on the dip. So I decided to ride this because I know it's coming. It's going higher. And I have till November 19th for expiration. You can always sell these anytime before then for profit, guys. Don't forget that. But I got some PROG news. So right here, 7 things to know about Progenity. A share soared 15%. So it's been going higher over the, right here. Indeed, shares of PROG stock have moved higher in a stair-step-like fashion over this time frame, more than tripling over the past month. I love that they said that because you can just read the chart and you saw that. Stairs leading up, baby. They showing you the way. This is going to go crazy. We stepping up to the rocket, guys. Let me know if you holding any PROG, if you got any of the stocks on a short squeeze, if you had that DWAC ride. Let me know in the comments below, family. So check it out. According from Momentum Perspective, it says it's a volatile one, but Progenity has not disappointed in terms of near-term returns. Today, PROG stock has moved more than 15% higher of writing on heavy volume. At the time of writing, nearly 3 times the average daily volume of shares have been traded. Now it says, that said, today's price action in PROG stock appears to be on no news at all, guys. So that big jump up is just everybody holding and loading and ready to take off with this thing. Wait until you get some news, man, because check this out. They're in the GI oral biotherapeutic sector. They have a lot of patents going for that, guys. Genomics, all that stuff. According, according to this stock, is viewed as one of tremendous upside as science-based innovator. So it's one of the leaders, innovator. October 13th, the company announced 4 patents have been issued by the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office. So they're trying to push this stuff, guys. They're being a leader. They're showing strength. Since this announcement, shares of Progenity have continued higher on this catalyst. Progenity, guys, I love it. I'm here for the ride. It's what saved me, as you see right here. It saved me today. Hundreds of dollars made. Just waiting for ALPP to pull me up even more, guys. Now, we got to talk about it, baby. The one, DWAC. Man, Trump got this thing going crazy. Digital World Acquisition took off. I haven't seen this since GameStop. What I was thinking when I saw DWAC, I was like, man, this is a pump and dump, baby. Pump and dump, easy. Get your money, guys. I ain't mad at you, and jump out. But then it hit me. I'm like, yo, this is like GameStop. It's basically a community, a group of people versus or for a cause, you know, depending on what side they want to be on. So in like GameStop is versus the hedge funds. This is basically like, hey, Trump supports it. He's for it. He's promoting it. I want to get on this train, man. You know what I'm saying? So DWAC went crazy, as you saw. That Snap crashed. Twitter crashed. Plenty of the big dogs, they dropped out, man. Digital World Acquisition doesn't even have anything yet. It's basically a SPAC play, guys. But the volume, 133 million. Average volume is 45 million. And today it had a 52-week high, baby. Woo! 175 from $9 to 175. I'm telling you, if I would have had my hands on this, I'd already known I'm going to buy 100 shares minimum. I would have bought probably 500 shares just like I did with ALPP. So you telling me I would have rode that thing up to 175? I would have sold a little bit at 100. I ain't going to lie to you. I would have sold a little bit more, a little bit higher at 150 because it's a psychological number. But 175, shout out to y'all, man. Let me know if you rode this one up right here because this ain't going nowhere. I thought it was, but it's not. It pulled back down. It cooled down. People took profits. Friday's a scary day. Trust me. Trust me. It might have a little bit more pullback, but I'm thinking if they get back behind this thing, it's going to ride even higher because right now it's just all speculation. So what do they have down here? They have a little article. I'm going to finish with this. DWAC, the Trump social media SPAC surges. What to know? So right here, it is essentially a pot of money raised from investors with the intention of finding a private company to buy. In this case, DWAC completed its initial public offering in September. Hundreds of SPACs have been launched. Like I said, CCIV was a SPAC. There's tons of SPACs and acquisition companies, just like we said, ALPP. Tapping into 2 market trends, investor enthusiasm to buy anything and a flood of private startups looking to hit the public markets. Why is DWAC going crazy? Sharply from its listing price early Friday, the stock is surging in part because it is linked to one of the major figures on social media, former President Donald Trump. And this seems to have spurred a wave of individual investor interest. The firm is also promoting itself as having a large market opportunity and presenting an alternative, what it views as liberal-minded media establishment. How is Donald Trump involved? Unclear. He is listed as chairman. So just chairman of Trump Media and Technology Group, the newly formed company that is merging with DWAC and that has plans to launch a conservative leaning social network called Truth Social. If you don't like it, do something about it. That's exactly what he's doing. So we got all this other stuff. What is Truth Social? The Twitter-like platform. Users can post truths and retruths. So basically, he don't want any of that made up media over here. Is one leg of the planned media empire that would compete with the likes of Netflix and CNN. So man, it's literally, a platform against fake news. And everybody that rides with them is getting behind it, guys. People are tired of getting censored. They're tired of this post hurts such and such feelings. This and this hurts this person's mental. So if you don't like it, don't watch it, right? DWAC stands for all of that, guys. I didn't get in on that pie. but I don't believe it's going nowhere, man. I'm not going to chase it, but DWAC, shout out to y'all that rode that up, man. It ain't going nowhere. Let's keep building, guys. We're trying to get into the money, and hopefully Progenity leads me there, and DWAC and all these other plays keep taking you guys there. So let's keep eating off the market, family. I'll see you. Thanks for smashing that subscribe button, crushing the thumbs up. Man, I missed that DWAC train, baby.